Are you bored of your HTC One and want to have more customization options? Well then, today we're going to be taking a look at the TrickDroid ROM for your HTC One. When you boot up this ROM, it will say HTC One quickly TrickDroid, and it actually looks really elegant and nice. There are two versions of the TrickDroid ROM for the HTC One international version, T-Mobile version, and the AT&T version. The one that I have here is the Sense version, version 8.0, and there is also a Google edition ROM made by the same developers or developer that you could also check out on the thread. So as I said, this supports the international version, T-Mobile, and AT&T version. If we go into settings and about device and to software information, you can tell that it is Android version 4.2.2 and it does say TrickDroid 8.0. So you are getting the latest version of Sense. This ROM is packed with features. So you do get a Roma installer when you are first installing the ROM. Sadly, I can't go through that today, but when you are going through that, you will choose your carrier, and you will also get to choose which apps you want to remove and some extra tweaks that you could add. When you first boot up the ROM, you'll already have a set of tweaks that you could go and customize, and there's also a separate tweak and themes package that you could download if you want more. So if we go into our settings and TrickDroid, here are the different customization options that we get that we wouldn't get on a stock Sense ROM. If we go into status bar, we could have slide brightness. Basically, you could adjust the brightness by holding onto the status bar and sliding it around. And as you can see, it's working right now. We can also enable horizontal quick settings. So basically, it will give you kind of the old quick settings if you want that. We also do get to customize our battery icon. We can go to choose battery icon and we get a bunch of choices to choose from. Right now I have the blue percentage, as you can see at the top. We do also get to choose if we want a battery bar, and we could also adjust the battery text color, the battery bar color, and that's pretty much it under status bar. If we go back, we do get some HTC Sense options too. We can choose an app that can open when you click on the clock app or the weather app. Under buttons, you could enable volume wake up. So basically, when you're in your lock screen, you could wake up by clicking the volume buttons. If we go to MISC, you could change the recent app style between Android 4.1 or default. Right now I have it set to Android 4.1, and if we double tap, you can tell that it is the Android 4.1.1 version. We can also change Wi-Fi scan interval to the lowest amount and the Play Store provider billing. If we pop back quickly, we also do get APM settings, which is just some items you want to show in APM. Some of the tweaks that you do get when you are first installing through Aroma, you do get options to have an ad blocker, which will basically, as it says, block all your ads. If you also lock the phone, you can see that I chose the AOSP lock screen, which is really cool. You get some other AOSP options like the 4.2 camera and 4.2 keyboard. So if I were to rate this ROM, I would give it 10 out of 10. This is by far my favorite ROM for the HTC One, and the Google edition is just as good. You get so many features, and at the same time, you get a great amount of speed. There's not one stutter when you're flying through here. I mean, look at this. No lag at all. As I said, guys, I'll have a link down below for the ROM. I'll also have a link. In that link will be the tweak package, and if you want to try out the Google Edition ROM, which I'll probably be reviewing soon, you could also check that out there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and yeah, thanks for watching.